Welcome to AB Luxury. Now I'll tell you about Lamborghini 2026. Lamborghini has always been at the forefront of automotive innovation, blending cutting-edge technology with breathtaking design and unparalleled performance. As the Italian automaker moves toward the future, it has unveiled two groundbreaking models that will redefine the supercar landscape by 2026, the Revuelto and the Temerario. These vehicles mark a significant step in Lamborghini's electrification strategy while maintaining the raw power and excitement that define the brand. The Lamborghini Revuelto is the company's first high-performance electrified vehicle, HPEV, representing the future of hybrid supercars. It features a naturally aspirated V12 engine, which is the heart of Lamborghini's legacy, combined with three electric motors that enhance both power and efficiency. This hybrid system allows the Revuelto to deliver a staggering 1,001 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Lamborghinis ever produced. Despite its hybrid nature, the Revuelto stays true to Lamborghini's DNA by offering an exhilarating driving experience, with instant torque from the electric motors and the unmistakable roar of the V12. It also boasts an all-wheel drive system, ensuring maximum grip and performance on various terrains. The Revuelto's lightweight carbon fiber monocoque further improves handling and agility, making it a true masterpiece of engineering. In addition to its impressive powertrain, the Revuelto is designed with aerodynamics in mind. The body features aggressive lines, large air intakes, and an active aerodynamics system that optimizes downforce. The interior is equally stunning, with a driver-centric cockpit, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a touchscreen infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with modern technology. Lamborghini has ensured that while embracing electrification, the Revuelto still delivers the thrilling and emotional driving experience that enthusiasts expect. Following the Revuelto, Lamborghini introduced another electrified masterpiece, the Temerario, which takes innovation to the next level. The Temerario is the brand's first supercar to feature a twin-turbo V8 engine combined with three electric motors, producing a total output of 920 CV, approximately 907 horsepower. This setup enhances both efficiency and performance, giving the Temerario an edge in acceleration and handling. Lamborghini has designed the Temerario to push boundaries, incorporating advanced aerodynamics and lightweight materials to maximize speed and agility. What sets the Temerario apart is its revolutionary powertrain. The twin-turbo V8 ensures an aggressive and dynamic driving experience, while the three electric motors provide additional torque and instant response. The result is a car that can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just a few seconds, making it one of the fastest Lamborghinis ever built. The Temerario also features a new all-wheel drive system, enhancing traction and stability at high speeds. With this model, Lamborghini demonstrates its commitment to electrification without sacrificing performance. While Lamborghini has embraced hybrid technology with the Revuelto and Temerario, it has also announced a delay in launching its first fully electric vehicle, EV. Initially planned for release before 2029, Lamborghini's CEO stated that the market is not yet ready for an all-electric supercar. This decision reflects Lamborghini's strategy to ensure that its electric vehicles meet the high-performance standards expected from the brand. Instead of rushing into full electrification, Lamborghini is focusing on hybrid technology as an intermediate step, allowing customers to experience electrified performance without compromising the thrill of internal combustion engines. The future of Lamborghini looks incredibly exciting, with a clear emphasis on combining electrification with legendary performance. The Revuelto and Temerario are just the beginning of this transformation, showcasing how hybrid technology can enhance rather than replace the thrilling experience of driving a Lamborghini. While the world moves towards sustainability, Lamborghini ensures that passion, power, and speed remain at the core of its DNA. As the brand continues to innovate, enthusiasts can expect even more breathtaking models that push the limits of automotive engineering. By 2026, Lamborghini will have firmly established itself as a leader in the next generation of high-performance supercars.